What's good, family? It's your boy Marathon, aka Ronnie, and today we're here to talk about these stocks. We got a good one today. We had a great day in the stock market today. If you check them plays out, and without further ado, let's take a look at my portfolio. So today, my portfolio sits at $132,892.91. That's a big swing back from the last video, which was only a couple days ago. I believe that was maybe Friday, when I was in like the 125 range. As you know, I'm heavily invested in GNOG. I still have my option call for you guys in my chat. I still have my option call on GNOG, and GNOG has been on a tear. GNOG has been kicking up the promotions. You see Tillman Furtado on CNBC Power Lunch today. He's been getting investors in just recently, 4 o'clock yesterday. Today is February the 9th. It's 7 o'clock. Just yesterday at 4 p.m., a huge investor bought 200,000 shares of warrants for GNOG and 200,000 shares of the actual shares of GNOG. So that's huge. And the reason why that's huge is the logic is they're already redeeming warrants. So if you're in my chat, you know that they're redeeming warrants. I told you. And those warrants are expected to expire March 8th. Now, why would you buy expiring warrants okay, so the $200,000 worth of warrants is worth around about $2.5 million. Why would you spend $2.5 million if you didn't know you was gonna get a return on that investment? So that makes me think that the person that bought those warrants has a good idea that this stock is about to go boom. It's about to be another rocket. So I'm gonna hold on to my option call. Hopefully it takes off before that, but I don't see the purpose in cutting my losses with the potential of getting the money back and possibly making money off that option call. So I'm gonna hold mine. But today I'm gonna make a short video and I wanna talk about pivoting. So the word of the day is pivoting. And the reason why I wanna bring up pivoting today is because I have some stocks I want you to put on your list. So the first stock is SNDL. Let's get to SNDL. So SNDL is Sundial Flowers. It's a marijuana stock. The reason why I want to talk about SNDL is over the day it went up 28%. Over the week it went up 49%. And it's been a gradual increase. Cool, let's see. They make you answer these questions and stuff, but I'm trying to get to the candlesticks. You know what, we're not gonna worry about candlesticks, but it's been a gradual increase. So when I talk about pivoting, that is, you look at what's in your portfolio and then you see, okay, is this moving? If it's not moving, then you pivot. So you take the money from that to put into something else. The reason why I bring it up is because I'm liking the price action on SNDL. I feel like this can hit the threes. So on other plays that may cost a little more, I'm considering a pivot where I'm going to take the money out of that larger play and put in SNDL. Now, I'm hopeful for some pullback, but the pre-market run will give you a great idea of where it's going to be as far as the market tomorrow. Hopefully for some pullback, because I want this to come back down to maybe like 150, and then I can hop in for my pivot from the other stocks. Now, this can hit the threes. I think it will hit the threes. Marijuana stocks can perform well on the bottom. Also, it's cheap. So new traders are quicker to spend money on cheaper stocks than more expensive stocks. You know that. You've been a new trader at one point. So I like this for a long. I'm gonna put a decent amount of money in it. I'm just gonna hold it because I have faith that this stock will get to the threes, potentially the fives, and I'm just gonna hold on to it. Another one I want to pivot to is America. So I believe this stock will hit $5. That is another double up. So other stocks that you're in, maybe pivot out of. Fuel Cell is almost hitting our target of $30. It's probably going to bounce off of 30. Most stocks don't just smash through the 30s. They tend to bounce. They hit 30 and then they come back down. So if you're close to 30 by tomorrow, you might want to consider a pivot when that stock has a pullback, when people take their gains from the 30s. And then ZOM has potential to hit the 5s before the end of February. So I'm gonna do a pivot between sundial and ZOM. And again, a pivot is when you leave one play that's not moving as much as you want to get into another play. And yeah, so that's all I really have for today as far as stocks. I do want to celebrate Fuel Cell though, because Fuel Cell did do some great work for us. I put you guys in there around the 16s and 17s. I think, see where. I ain't gonna go into trying to find it because I still don't like to work this desktop. But yeah, so I feel like this can potentially hit the 29s to 30s. So you can possibly pivot out of Fuel Cell, but I wouldn't get all the way out of it because Fuel Cell is still a great stock to have. It still is worth like 40, you know, it's 40 to 50. Remember, it follows plug. And another stock I probably will pivot out of is my NGA. Reason because I just don't like the price action on it right now. And even though it went up 3% today, it still doesn't have a merger date confirmed yet. So I think I have some time to hop back in this play at a cheaper price. So I'm gonna pivot out of those plays. And if you have any questions about plays you should pivot out of and you're in my chat, feel free to ask. And I'll give you what I would do in your situation. I can't necessarily tell you exactly what to do because I'm not your financial advisor. If you need one, you should consult a professional. But I can say what I would do. So that's it. I gave you a word of the day and peace. Hey, this video lasts a lot shorter than I thought it would. That's what's up. All right, catch you later.